Welcome students. In this class we will learn this interesting question which was asked in one of the competitive examinations conducted by our technical university in Singapore. So the question is as follows. Let me write that down. A plot of land with area 876 square meters was divided into three rectangular portions of equal width using 177 meters of fence. Now we are asked to find, I'm going to draw the figure, find the length of AB, and B, we are asked to find the perimeter of the plot of land. So the figure is given as follows. Now we have some additional data also along with these. I think I've drawn one rectangle additionally. So I will have to change the question. It's actually three rectangles, but I have drawn 1, 2, 3, 4. So instead of saying 3, I'm going to make it as 4. And this width is given as 36, and this is given to be as 27. Meters. Now we are asked to find AB. This is required, and apart from that we have not given anything else. All that we got is this information that the area, let me write that down, area is given to be as 876, and then the total fencing that had taken place is 177 meters. So before that, the vital observation that you will have to make here is this. You see that this is given equal with a plot of land with area 876 square meters has been divided into 4 rectangular portions of equal width. So this is equal to this, which is in turn equal to this, which is in turn equal to this. But this entire width is given. See that this entire width is given to be as 36. So 36, and you got 4 rectangles, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 36 divided by 4 is going to give us 9. So this is going to be 9, this is going to be 9, this is going to be 9, and this is going to be 9. So having got that information, what I'm going to do is I'm also going to get this value. Now this is a rectangle, right? The length are going to be equal. If this is 27, naturally this is going to be 27. If this is going to be AB, this entire length is also going to be AB. So this is 36, this entire region is going to be 36. So 2 times of AB, this and this, and then you got 9, 9, 9, 9. So this is equivalent to taking 2 times of 36 plus, okay, I've taken this side, I've taken this side. Now these two sides, this side and this side, is covered by 27 meters, right? So I need to add 2 times of 27. Why? I need to take this also into account. So this is what I've got. Now this can be rewritten as 177 is equal to 2 times of AB plus 6 2s are 12, 1 3 2s are 6, 7, 72 plus 2 times 7, 7 2s are 14, 1 2 times 2 is 4, 4 added with 1 is 54. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 54 with 72, that's going to be 6 and 12, and I'm going to move that to the left. So 177 minus 126. So what is that? Let me subtract 177, 126. So this is going to give me 1, and from 7 I take away 2, that is going to give me 5, right? So this is 2 times AB. So therefore 2 times AB is equal to 51, and AB is equal to 51 divided by 2, which is nothing but 2 times 2 is 4, you carry 1, 2 times 5 is 10, 1 comes down, and I got a 5 there. So this AB is going to be 25.5 meters. Now next we need to find the perimeter of the plot of the land. So part 2 is required perimeter of the plot of the land. Now what are they asking us? They are asking us to find this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this and plus this. So this is what is required, and that would mean we need to exclude this region. This region ought to be excluded. Now this entire thing is AB. This entire thing is AB, which we have already found. But this additional part cannot be included in the perimeter. So we need to remove that part out. And how are we going to do that? Now we need to use the area. So let me write that down. Area is given to be as 876. And what is the area of the rectangle? Formula? Area of rectangle is nothing but length times width. So 876 is equal to, I am actually taking the area of this region. So area of rectangle 1, area of rectangle 2, area of rectangle 3, area of rectangle 4. All of this thing will account for 876. So I'm going to add up this plus this plus this plus this and equate it to 876. So area of rectangle R1. So let me write that. Area for R1 is equal to, my length is given to be as 25.5 times my width. My width is 9. So that is going to be, let me multiply that, 25.5 times 9. 9 5s are 45, 4. 9 4s are, it's again 5 there. 9 5s are 45 plus a 4, that's going to be 9. 49 you carry 4. 9 2s are 18 and 4 22. So this is going to be 229.5. So this is placed here, 229.5. Next I need to find the area of R2. Now I exactly do not know what is this length, right? I know this length, this is AB. Now if I were to take this length as some P and some Q, then that's going to be PQ multiplied with the width 9. So that is going to be this area. And similarly, this is going to be the second rectangle, the third one, right? So let me write that down. Area of R3 is equal to, the length is going to be PQ times 9. The same length is going to be applied to R3 also. Next, the area of this R4. So area of R4 is equal to 27 times 9. How much is that? 9 times 7 is 63. You carry 6. 9 twos are 18. Added with 6, that's 24. 243. So therefore, we can now write that as 876 is equal to 229.5 plus, you got PQ times 9 and PQ times 9. So 2 times of 9 PQ is followed by 243. Now I'm going to add 243 and 229.5. That's going to be 5 there. 9 added with 3 gives me 12. Carry 1. 4 added with 2 is 6, and 7. 2 times 2 added with 2 gives me 4. So it's going to be 472.5. Write that down. 472.5 plus 2 times 9 is 18 PQ, and this is 876. So you push this to the other side. So you got 876 minus 472.5. So you drop 1 over on the other side. This is going to be 5. This is 5. From 5 you take away 2, you get 3. This is 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. From 8 you take away 4, you get 4. So this is going to be 403.5 is equal to 18 PQ. So therefore, what is PQ? So PQ is equal to 403.5. So we need to divide that by 18. So let us see how the division is going on. 403.5 divided by 18. 8 times 2 is 8 to the 16. 1, 2 ones are 2. 3, 36. Bring a 4. 3 again 22. 8 twos are 16. 1, 2 ones are 2. 3. This is 13. That's going to be 7. You have a decimal point. Place it. Bring the 5 down. And 4. That would give me 8 fours are 32. 3. Okay. 8 fours are 32 and a 3. 4 ones are 4. 72. I get a 3. And you add a 0. That's going to be just 1 there. So 8 ones are 8. You just carry that 1 on that side, you get 2. And from that, and now you apply a 0. Let's see, 8 fives are 44. 5 ones are 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6. 6 eights are 48. 4, 7. 7 eights are 56. 5. Okay, 7 will not. 6 will be the tape. 6 times 8 is 48. 4. And then 6 ones are 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is what you're getting. So this goes on, and let us see where does it end. Now after this you will have just 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. So what I will do is I will take an approximation of 22.42. So that is my PQ. 22.42 is my PQ. So I will have to write that. So PQ is 22.42. Now I've got this, but this entire thing is AB. AB is how much? AB is 25.5. If I were to take away 22.42, that's going to be 8 and a 0 and a point and a 3. So this distance is going to be 3.08. 3.08. This distance is 3.08. So similarly, we need to calculate this. So we got this entire distance to be 27. So let me use this space. 27. From 27, we need to take away this part, which is 22.42. 22.42. So that's going to give me 10, 8, 9. From 9 you take away 4, 5, and from 7 you take away 2, you get 5. 5.58. So this distance is 5.58. Right? So the time has now come to find out the perimeter. So what is this perimeter? I think I can place the answer here so that you can see the figure. This distance 36 plus this distance, which is 25.5, plus this 9 plus this one, this part 3.08 plus 9 plus 9 plus 5.58 plus 9 and plus 27. So now the question comes, we need to add all of this. So let me perform the addition. How many 9s we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. 9 4s are 36. So that is placed here, 36. And then you got a 27. 6 and 7, 13, 1, 63. So we are done with this. Let me take this down. We are done with 27. We are done with all the 4 9s. So we got 5.5. So added up with that, we get 68.5. That's gone. And then 3.8. So that would give you a 13 and a 9 and a 12 and 1, 72.3. So this is gone. And then you got, let me add it here, 72.3 and 25.5. So 8 and a 7 and a 9, 97.8. So you got 97.8, and that has to be added with 36. So that is going to be 8, 13 and 1, 10, 10 added with 3 gives me 13. So 133.8. So the solution is 133.8 meters. So this is the perimeter of the plot of land. Perimeter of the plot of land. Now, the reason we got this, so this is actually a fractional quantity, right? There is a decimal quantity present. The reason we got this is because you can clearly see, though the question was given for three rectangular portions of equal width, what I did, I drew a figure involving 4. So I just don't want to cut the figure off. So I have taken it as 4, and thereby the entire question got changed, and the solution is also different. So students, I hope you enjoyed this question. Until we meet again, enjoy your day. Thank you.